Then we are going to explain you about my good staff, which is Mama Juana. Today, we got the most speeding guy. Yes, we want to let you know about all the explanation. The most speeding guy is named Luis. So let's give it up to Luis. Luis is the most speeding guy because he's called La Leyenda. Leyenda means the legend. He's the oldest guy here in Punta Cana. The oldest guy in Santo Domingo. Also, oldest guy in Puerto Plata. He's the oldest guy in the country. So old, the Christopher Columbus came here for the first time. Before his two guys. So let's give up for the
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Luis. I am part of the team that is working with you today. Welcome to the small plantations of cocoa beans and coffee beans. When I say cocoa beans and coffee beans, because those two agricultural products can grow up together. Wherever you can grow cocoa beans, you can also grow coffee beans. Now,